Good afternoon, fellow Plexers. Today's quick tutorial will be the difference between a dashboard screenshot from your Plex server versus the Plex Dash app. And I'm doing the video on my phone because that's the only place I can easily show the Plex Dash interface. So this isn't bad, but I don't always remember what the arrow key is off the top of my head. And plus, we have to make sure that it's an expanded view. This is the default app once it's installed, and you have to click the three dots to expand the view to see information about what's inside the container file. So the green arrow signifies that it's a secure connection, and one arrow means it's a local connection. Two arrows would be a remote connection, and then a red arrow would be an insecure connection going through Plex's relays. And I have so many other things to keep in my small brain, I don't always remember that key, and Plex doesn't have a support document for that key, at least one that I can find, so I'm always looking it up on Reddit to see what it means if I'm not sure. So it's cool if you want to use that, but I always request someone to go to their mobile phone, log into app.plex.tv. I have a screenshot that shows how, but I think I'll send this video instead. You find the heartbeat icon that will be lit up when a stream's playing. You click it, and then you find your server, and you click dashboard. If it's only one server, it's all you have to do, but I have a number 1 to the right of my unraid dashboard, so I'll click the word dashboard. It brings this up, and on a phone you can pinch out or pinch in, and this is the money shot. I want it pinched in like that before a screenshot is grabbed. If you take a screenshot on your computer of the whole page or one like this on your phone, by the time I get it on Facebook, I'll have to download it and then try to blow it up myself in order to read the pertinent information. And at least if you're on an Android phone, the power button and the down volume button take the screenshot. On my Pixel phone, I can click in the edit option and I can crop it, and I can find out if it's a secure connection by looking there, or an indirect, because that would be a yellow exclamation point. I can see if it's a large file by the bitrate size. I can see what the media is. I can see if it's direct streaming or direct playing or transcoding. I can tell what type of audio the stream is. All these bits of information goes into trying to troubleshoot someone having an issue with Plex. So that's it. If I ask for a dashboard screenshot, this is how I want it, unless you know how to crop a picture from your desktop computer. But you need to have all this information legible. And then the last thing before I forget, if it's a remote stream, always mask out the IP address. And actually, if I make it smaller, my fat finger covers it better. If it's a local stream like this, you don't have to mask that information out. Anybody else who bought a Deco router like I am is going to have a similar internal IP address of 192.168. Maybe even 68. So no problem showing the local IP address. Thanks for watching, and happy Plexing.